Hello, future developers, and welcome to my tutorial on data visualization. As you already know, in this current world, we have a lot of data from text, visuals, images, audio, a whole lot of them. And then this kind of data, when being processed, it could actually give us trends or insights as to how to make good use of data and also make some predictions. So data visualization would actually help people to be able to make business solutions or give out business solutions or outcomes, and to also tech trends. Okay, that would help them make informed decision as to what to do and then what not to do. So welcome to my course on data visualization. Okay, so what is data visualization? It's simply it's just a pictorial representation of information or data. Okay, as you can see in this GIF file here, okay, just pictorial. So it could be a data collected on a fish farm. Okay, maybe you want to determine or see the oxygen level, carbon dioxide level in the water, impurities, and all that. Okay, and also trends, maybe YouTube or video trends, data from advertisements and the likes, or watch like YouTube and the likes. Okay, so here are some examples of data visualizations tools. So we have Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bokeh, Tableau, Power BI, and then Data Studio. So these tools would actually help us to present a graphical representation of these trends, or get an insight on these data, so a visual, not a textual aspect. And this is going to actually help business people. Okay, they want to do on the code inside, they want to actually be able to tell or create a story on their data. Okay, so these tools will actually help us or business developers, business or marketers, to know what is actually happening, trends and the likes. So here are examples of graphs. Okay, so we have pie chart, we can have histogram. These ones are interactive tools, so we can actually use these tools to create interactivity. So instead of having a still image or a static image, we can actually create some buttons, sliders, and the likes to actually help us toggle the insights. Okay, so switch and then know whatever information we want to get from this data. Okay, so first the tool we have is we have Seaborn. Okay, so this Seaborn, and then when you visit the link here, you can actually see what and then read the documentation of Seaborn. We also have Bokeh. Okay, Bokeh too has documentation. We have Matplotlib. Okay, and then we have Power BI. Okay, from Microsoft. So these are some visualizations from Power BI, and then we have Tableau. This also Tableau for some visualization. And then we have Google Data Studio. So Google Data Studio, this is what I'm able to do from my YouTube channel. Okay, so Google Data Studio, you don't need to have any coding background. You just connect your YouTube account, and then it's able to pull some insight out of this for you. So these are interactive, and so it will change. Okay, so you need data to be able to make this work. Okay. So thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll actually be using Python Jupyter Notebook to do some coding. But that said, you should know that the Python aspects, the first aspect of this program would actually be coding. Then a subsequent videos that are created as when they are available would go to the ones that you don't need to code, so like the Data Studio. Okay, so that said, thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.